Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry na im be the ogbonge chamber of commerce and industry for obodo Nigeria, and in Africa na im be number 2 ogbonge in the whole of Africa. So in the chamber we can't get 22 sectorial groups. Sectorial group be say small business unit, the one wey dey for banking day, the one wey dey for IT day, the one wey dey for power day, the one wey dey for oil and gas day. So among the 22 now we can't get insurance trade group. Okay. And our job now be say make we dey touch light to see wetin we fit do to make sure say people dey know about this insurance for Nigeria. Okay. So we get plenty program wey we dey do, and we dey do am with our oga patapata wey dey Abuja dem for NICOM. His name na Sunday Thomas. Okay. Now we dey support am. We also dey do am dey join hand with our people wey dey Lagos, Nigeria Insurance Association, Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers. Na dem be the people wey sabi the insurance, just like you get lawyer wey dey go stand for you before a judge. Then we can't get loss adjusters as well. So our job there be say make we dey touch light, dey see wetin dem dey do, and go dey take hand together to support them, to make sure say people for Nigeria know wetin insurance dey do sef. Thank you, my sister, the birthday girl for today. You know say insurance for Nigeria, we go make we put am for 2 places, for one port and the other one the other port. One port be say people wey get company wey dem dey do insurance, those ones na dem dey do am, is compulsory. But we now come get other people wey be say like market woman dem, wey be say, you know, market dey burn today, market dey burn tomorrow. They no even know wetin dem dey do to make sure say if the thing happen, no, dem go get something to come back alive from the dabaru wey don happen before that time. So wetin we dey do for the chamber be say we have people wey dey go look after the market people. You know, we don do plenty program wey we even bring people wey dey market come dem, people wey dey Alaba market make dem come, people wey dey Jankara market make dem come, wey we sit down with them to tell them say, mama, insurance na something wey you suppose get to, we go support you in case anything happen to your business, so that you can come back, the business don't go die. So now some of those things. Then every year, like the one we want to do now, we go gather people come, people then with the insurance industry for Nigeria, people then with the insurance industry outside Nigeria, then go come together, everybody go come together, come talk how we go take move insurance forward, as if you say you dey drive for 3rd mainland bridge, we could go just go sha like that. Say everybody wey no dey again, wey this matter carry go meet Baba God. May God dey watch over their family with them. Na very bad time.
Yes. So
the Yoruba go call am say na rogbodiyan matter. Times wey be say all manner of things dey happen that kind of time.
Okay.
But when we come say, okay, wetin insurance come do say for that time? Yes. My sister, na that time say baby say our name come out, wey be say Presido himself, but they say for Presido for Nigeria, yes, na we dey talk o, Muhammadu Buhari himself, yes, come talk good thing about our industry. When he come read, when he come talking thing that time, come say, say one company dey o, wey be say come support them like Iroko tree, gbagidi like that. Just stand with them in that matter. We do plenty thing. That time we buy through our oga patapata wey dey NICOM for Abuja, oga Sunday Thomas. We buy plenty thing, plenty insurance company. My company sef contribute for that time. We will take support them for that in our federal government. And I also know say even my company, Skip Nigeria Co, we still do some starting things for some other places for Ibadan, where we get, you know, branches, and the same thing. So now one period where we say insurance company can't stand, they say now we know about wahala. When wahala come, just like they say person where they one sleep no go sleep where fire dey burn, but when fire dey burn na him be say na that time our own waka come start. So and na that time we do plenty things for Nigeria. Then the other thing wey we do be say all the oga patapata wey dey insurance industry dem, because I know say my managing director Shola Tinubu that time, they go sit down, they do meeting. Wetin we go do to make sure say all this wahala wey dey happen for Nigeria at that time, including NSAS, how we go do to make sure say insurance wey people get for that time, dem go pay take support them. So na that kind time na him be say, you know say people say until police catch you for road you no go know say police dey work. Na that kind time na dem people come know say na true insurance dey. Not say we dey pray for bad thing, but that kind time people know say insurance dey work. So the one wey we wan do for this year, for 2021 ogbonge year, na for next week, Wednesday, 5th of May, and we go start am for 10 a.m. Now the torchlight wey we wan do this time na we call breaking new frontiers. Wetin be that grammar? Na be say we wan begin torchlight the good things wey be say we start with for insurance industry plenty years back. We wan begin to see wetin we begin do, because the world now don't even change. So many things don change now. People go sit down for their house, sit down, they talk to America. They don't be say we no dey do am like that before, but it can't be say na the thing wey everybody dey do now. So we wan hear from people wey be say they don see plenty things like this in the future wey old pass us, and see wetin we go do to make sure say insurance industry as in they go back and dey back before. We wan bring am come forward for Obodo Nigeria. So we call am say breaking new frontier. We say we go begin touch like new things wey go make the industry come grow like a iroko tree wey e be before now. Na everybody wey dey Obodo Nigeria na im fit participate o. And to sit down on top of your computer or your phone, na we go take do am.
Virtual.
Na virtual. So you fit sit down anywhere, even for your inside your room you go fit do am. Inside your shop, Alaba shop, you fit sit down do am. Inside your shop for Sangros, you fit sit down do am. Anywhere where you dey for Oshodi, you fit sit down do am. Once you get phone, you go just enter the matter, begin see wetin we dey do there.
My name is David Olonjo. I dey call for Surulere. My question na how insurance will help better healthcare for Nigeria? Where I wan ask the chairman.
Okay, you know say e get one company in them wey dem dey call, some people dey call them health management organization. Some dey call them say dem be health maintenance organization. Now dem get the license when it come to talk, say you dey talk about medical health insurance. But I go come talk say we can't get some other brokers like my company, Skip Nigeria & Co. We get experience well for this matter. Where they help to support company them where we dey work for, to do this health, to work with these health management organizations, to ensure that people will get this particular policy for their company, then fit go better hospital. Now we dey look at that one. We'll look at hospital we good for Obodo Nigeria, direct them, make them go meet them. The Oga Patapata wey dey Nikon then, our Oga Sunday Thomas, commissioner for insurance, him go come touch light wetin the regulator dey do on breaking new frontiers, the opportunity wey dey the industry dem, how we go gather them together like ant gather around the sugar wey be say people come begin dey come drink am, and we come begin to do well for Nigeria. Then we dey bring our Baba, the Doyen of insurance, the chairman of Skip, Olola Olabode Ogunlanu. This na Baba wey be say e don dey for insurance industry plenty years, for over 60 years. They know everything. They know when be say people dey queue to buy insurance for this CMS. People go queue to buy insurance if they dey queue to buy garri or they dey queue to buy body. But things don't change. So him go come tell us the good things wey dem do that time wey make insurance to be #1 ogbonge industry for Nigeria. and now we say we dey here now go take am do am and go come hand am over to our own children wey be say insurance go come grow up. So we come also get other people wey go talk. One of them na Rasheedat wey dey Asamansa, wey people know very well, wey be say him go dey talk like oyinbo dem, talk am wetin we go do to gather all this opportunity wey we get. Okay. We also get the president for Chartered Insurance Institute, Sir Oyegunle. This one too, he don get plenty knowledge and insurance for knowledge for the industry. Instead go come talk am. We can't get our own person wey be broker, Dr. we never get doctor, Madam Mikioma Ezebe. Instead go come talk him own as the thing wey be say broker dey do to make sure say we dey break new frontier. Na free. Okay. Na free. Dr. Yetunde na him be the former Continental MD. Instead they go come talk. Okay. To come tell us how they do am for places outside Nigeria. Okay. Make we hear. Now to join, we get webinar ID. Okay. The webinar ID na 840-426-88947.
That number wey give out now na webinar ID. If you put the number, you go fit join the meeting next week Wednesday wey they wan do, wey all these ogbonge people go do there, talk about how insurance of the future go take good and standard gidigba for Naija here.
661-429. Go check SCCI social media dem, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook page. You go see all these things there.
All the information.
All the informates wey dey there. Now 10 a.m.
Alright, my people at the moment, don't forget to follow me on top my social media handle, insurance_madam. Until next week, we go show inside studio again. Make una get better deal. Bye bye.